Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're taking a look at the Airloop Snap. Now this is a 3-in-1 pair of wireless earbuds. You've got the wireless factor, the neckband and also the sport band to give you a 3-in-1 product, and it's actually the first of its kind that I've seen. So let's take a look. So let's start with what you actually get in the box. Now the first thing you're going to have is some spare ear tips and wings to get that perfect fit, a USB-C cable for charging, the sport band, the neckband, and then the earbuds themselves in this really awesome metal case. Now I'm actually getting some very Apple feels from actually opening the box, the unboxing experience, and the actual quality of the product, so for $139 that's actually really good to see. Now the case itself is super sturdy, made out of metal, so no need to worry about actually dropping it. It's got a really nice close mechanism, it has a really nice soft close feel to it. There's a certain point where it feels like it's going in a little bit easy, and it's a little bit softer just towards the end. It has a really nice feel to it. Now the earbuds themselves are very small and the fit is really good. Now obviously you do get multiple ear tips. I didn't really have to worry about that. The stock ear tips and also the wings that came with it fit my ears perfectly fine. Now the button placement could be a little bit better, but overall a small nice package. Now the earbuds themselves are going to get you around 10 hours worth of battery life, and again I get a further 80 hours with the actual case itself. Now that alone will get you through pretty much any trip that you need to go on, or any days out or weekends away for example, but there's actually more. Next up then you have the simplest part, and that is the neckband. Now this basically allows you to wear the earbuds around your neck for those workout sessions. You do have a clip if you need to, and you can also tighten it as well, so if you need to go on a run, jog, cycle or anything like that, this is probably going to be the best way to go. But the real fun comes with the neckband. Now I've already mentioned the insane battery life of over 90 hours, well the neckband adds a further 12 hours to that, allowing for over 100 hours of battery life. Now this is actually the first pair of wireless earbuds I've safely been able to say that if I did have to go away for a weekend for example, I don't really have to worry about taking the case or anything else with me apart from the earbuds and also the neckband. Now it's a little bit of a shame that there isn't sort of like an overall all-in-one carrying case for them, but overall if you're carrying around the neck for example, then it's not really going to be too much of a problem. The neckband also has some very strong magnets to allow the earbuds to seamlessly attach and detach. Now once they're on there you have power pass-through to get that extra battery life that I mentioned. So really you can wear them wirelessly and get 10 hours battery, or the neckband and you get 12 hours in total. The earbuds are also IPX7 waterproof, so allowing for those gym sessions and a little rain, and you also get that in-ear detection. Now that means that when music is playing, if you take them in or out of your ear, it's going to pause and play the music, which is really handy if you need to pick up on a conversation, cross a busy road, or just in general hear your overall surroundings. Now while you don't get any sort of noise cancellation, you do have some nice noise isolation thanks to those ear tips I mentioned before. Overall the sound quality is great, the bass is deep without being overpowering, the mids and highs are super clear, and as always I listen to a ton of different music genres, watched movies, and the Bluetooth on board done a really good job of not having that delay that you sometimes get when watching a movie and using wireless earbuds. Now I also used it for podcasts as well. The voice detection itself is really good, voices sound super crisp and clear, and again not really overpowering when it comes to the bass side of things. So overall for around $139 or around £99 here in the UK, you definitely can't go wrong with the Airloop Snap 3-in-1. Now for me this is actually now my go-to pair of earbuds, mainly for the sound quality but also for that battery life. Like I mentioned, I've got no issues at all going pretty much a full weekend without having to put them on charge, use the carrying case or anything like that at all. As long as I've got that neckband with me and the earbuds, you're going to get some really great battery life. But guys, as always, let me know in the comment section below what you think of these earbuds or anything else here on the channel. And again, if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. If you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.